Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example for this. And once it's open, press power key and volume down together. And just a simple click, and as you can see, it gives us a couple different options right here. Now the first time around, this will stay, I believe, till we interact with it, so that's kind of good for us. So you can see we have several different options. Number one would be the delete, share, edit, and from there probably one of the most useful function, which is the long screenshot, aka scrollable one. Meaning that once you press on it, either it's gonna just scroll down some amount down and allow you to tap on it again, or just continuously scroll down, and actually it looks like it disappears on itself. So let's try that again. So yeah, it's just gonna be popping up and scrolling down bit by bit, basically every time you press on it or till it reaches the end. So that is one way you can capture a screenshot. Sometimes there's also a button when you hold the power key and here, but it looks like we only have the emergency option, so let's just leave it. We do also have a 3-finger scroll shot, or 3-finger shortcut. So basically all you need to do is take 3 fingers and swipe down on your home screen, or on your screen overall, anywhere you are, and basically it's the equivalent of pressing the 2 keys right over here. And sometimes there's also a button in your notifications, which you can see it right over here. Same thing, captures a screenshot. Now, whichever way you prefer to do it, it's completely up to you. Personally, my favorite one is the 3-finger one, because it's the more simplest one and the quickest. Now, once you have captured your screenshots, you can find them in your photo gallery. So let's open Photos. Let's allow, I guess, and there we go. As you can see, there is the couple different screenshots, although it looks like it's missing several. I think I captured like 3 different ones on the home screen, but you can see all of them right over here, or almost all. So that is how you would capture your screenshots and where you can find them. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.